Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome to your channel Quran for Kids. In this video, we will learn about the golden surah of Quran. This surah is the touchstone of God. It covers those attributes of God which has no comparison with other surahs of Quran. And this surah can give you protection from many evils. So, what is that surah? Yes, it's Surah Al-Ikhlas, the famous one. Surah Ikhlas is a very short surah of Quran, consisting of only 4 verses, but carries a powerful message of Tawheed, that is the oneness of Allah. But why there is so much significance of this short surah? Let's explore. This surah is so important because it tells us about the pure Tawheed. It also provides protection and blessings. And it is equal to 1/3 of the Quran. Isn't it so exciting, kids? Let's explore the more significance of Surah Al-Ikhlas. As our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "By him in those hand is my soul." It is equal to 1/3 of the Quran. It means that if you recite Surah Al-Ikhlas, you will get reward of reciting 1/3 of Quran. It's so blessing. A man used to recite Surah Al-Ikhlas in every rak'ah of prayer. When asked why, he replied, "Because it describes the most merciful and I love to recite it." The Prophet, peace be upon him, replied, "Your love for it has admitted you into paradise." Let's explore Surah Al-Ikhlas. So be with me, kids. Reciting the Surah Al-Ikhlas before sleeping. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "When you go to bed, recite Kul Huwallahu Ahad, that is Surah Al-Ikhlas, and Muawwidhatayn, which means the Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Nas, 3 times each. They will suffice you from everything." The other one is reciting it in the morning and evening. The Prophet, peace be upon him, used to recite Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Nas 3 times every morning and evening for protection. Let's start the recitation of Surah Al-Ikhlas.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Say, He is Allah, who is one. Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to him any equivalent. This surah is the epitome of the oneness of God. It says that there is only one God, and not only one, but is unique. Ahad, which is in Surah Al-Ikhlas, the word Ahad, also means unique. There is no one like him. In the next verse, the word Samad is used, which normally means to take support. This verse says that He is the one who does not need any support. Rather, He is the supporter for every living being in this universe. The third verse is the unique one and is the biggest attribute of Allah. He is the one who is not born and he has no child. He is from the start. He is Hayyul Qayyum. The biggest attribute of a creator is that he is not created being. If a creator is also created by someone else, then it is the weakness of the creator. But Allah is the creator of every minute life of this universe without any. The last verse, the fourth verse, narrates that there is no one in equal to Allah and has all these attributes. Dear kids, can you imagine any personality with all these attributes? No, you will not find any personality equal to Allah. What happens if there are more than one God? Quran has replied on this question. It's in Surah Al-Mu'minun. It is said that if there had been, then each God would have taken away what he created, and some would have tried to dominate others. Glorified is Allah above what they discuss. It's also mentioned in Surah Al-Anbiya. Had there been within them the heavens and earth gods beside Allah, they both would have been ruined. So exalted is Allah, Lord of the throne, above what they did. So it is clear that if there would be more than one God of universe, there will be destruction everywhere, as every God will have his. This universe is operating with such accuracy and fine tunings that it is the evidence that it has only one creator with complex intelligence. Indeed, universe is in perfect order under one supreme. The key message which we obtain from Surah Ikhlas is that it reminds us that our belief in only one true God must be pure and sincere, without adding anyone or anything besides Him. This surah is a foundation of faith. Thanks for watching, kids, and don't forget to subscribe your channel and also send its links to your friends. We'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.